Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to create and receive job alerts on LinkedIn so you can be notified when jobs that meet your criteria become available. So what you want to do is I'll show you both on desktop and over on my iPhone on mobile. So here we are. I've logged into LinkedIn. Here I'm on my home feed here. What you want to do is go to Jobs, the little briefcase icon at the upper portion of the screen. And then once here, what I want you to do is up here, you can actually go and search by job title or skill or city and state. We'll go ahead and put the location. So go ahead and put the location you're wanting for your job. And then you can even go up here to all filters and make sure that you filter down exactly what you're wanting with your job. Make sure you do all the details and due diligence here. And then once you've done that, you want to check this box here that says Set Alert. Go ahead and click Set Alert. It says Alert On. And then you'll see something at the bottom that says Your Job Alert was created. You want to go to Manage Alerts. Click on that blue link there. And then it'll take you to this page where you can manage how and when you receive the alerts. So what you want to do here is click the pencil icon to dig deeper. Now, do you want the alerts to come in weekly or daily? Do you want the notification type to be email and notification like on your mobile or through a desktop notification? So for me, I want it to be daily and I only want it to be sent via email. And then also I want to check the box that says get notified of similar jobs when no jobs match. I want to uncheck that because I only want to get notifications of jobs that I actually want to pursue. Once you've edited the job alert settings, go ahead and click Save. Now what you'll see is that you'll get an email daily with jobs that match that criteria. Now, if you do get the job and you want to unsubscribe from these emails, you just open the email up. At the very bottom of the email, you'll see the word unsubscribe. Click that, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. Now, here we are over on my iPhone, and let me show you how to receive alerts over here. So go to the Jobs tab at the bottom of your screen, tap on Jobs, the briefcase there, and then you're going to see a bunch of options here. We want to search jobs at the top, click on Search Jobs, and then we want to go to the settings here, and we want to choose a location. Go ahead and add a couple of filters, jobs within a 25-mile radius, and as you can see, the job search alert is on. It goes ahead and checks that. Now, once you've set this up, it'll automatically send you daily notifications from like a mobile notification via email and mobile notifications. You'd have to go to the desktop site to change those notification settings like I showed you earlier. But that's it. That's how you receive job alerts and customize them on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.